Today I'm going to show you how to access the Chrome Web Store in just a few easy steps, and I'll also show you how to search for extensions or themes and install one in Chrome. This is a really useful tutorial if you want to customize your browser, add helpful tools, or find new themes to change the look of Chrome. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser because the Chrome Web Store is built right into it and works best there. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From there, hover over Extensions. When you move your mouse over Extensions, a new menu will appear and you'll see the option to visit Chrome Web Store. Click that option and Chrome will take you directly to the Web Store. This is the official place where you can browse extensions and themes made for Chrome. Now that the Chrome Web Store is open, you can search for what you need. Look at the top left search box and type the name of the extension or theme you want to find. For example, if you want a dark mode extension, you could type a dark reader. After typing your search term, press enter on your keyboard. Chrome will then show you matching results, including extensions and themes related to your search. Take a moment to look through the results and click the one you want to learn more about. On the extension page, you'll see details about what it does, screenshots, ratings, and reviews. If it looks like the right one for you, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to continue. Carefully review the permissions because extensions may need access to certain browser features or websites in order to work properly. If everything looks good, click Add Extension. Chrome will install it automatically, and after a few seconds, the extension should be ready to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to access the Chrome Web Store, search for extensions or themes, and install an extension in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.